General Karamat ay nasa likod ng pugo. Merong tao from Malacanang nag-uutos sa'yo. Meron akong information. I can pin you down, my God. Ha? Huwag kang pailing-iling dyan. Alam pong informasyon na yan. Is that correct?
No,
Anong
sir.
purpose mo? Bakit ka pupunta doon kay Alice Go? 2 bisis ka pumunta. Anong purpose mo doon? Be, sige.
A week after.
Nung nahuli na po si Alice.
But before siya nahuli or after siya nahuli?
That was that day na nahuli po siya.
Okay, so paano nangyari?
I got a call po. I got a text from Indonesia po na
Who
mahuli
texted you from Indonesia?
yung ano po, yung sa tawag nito, yung
Ano?
in charge po, yung nakahuli po kay ano.
What?
kay-
Sino?
An Indonesian law enforcement officer texted you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Really? Are you kidding?
Sa bayang bigkasan
Alam
na
mo,
tayo,
alam mo.
SP Pro Tempore.
Alam mo, Marian, mas sinungaling ka pa rito kay Alice Go eh.
Sir, I can show you the text message.
Okay, show it to us.
Show us the
I
text.
don't have the phone, sir.
So how did you have direct communications with not just Filipino, with an Indonesian law
Because-
enforcement
Because
officer?
we were there the first time nga po eh.
And how did you establish that contact with the Indonesian law enforcement
I was
authorities?
with IG po when I went there to get, nandoon po yung mga pulis din po ng Indonesia.
So IG, you're claiming that PNP IG introduced you and Indonesian police to each other?
It wasn't an introduction po. Magkasama lang po kami during the time.
But magkasama
Hindi
kayo
kami nagkakilala po.
and you exchange numbers.
Yes po.
So you had that communication line. Senator De La Rosa.
Madam Chair, I was a former chief of staff of IG. I became the deputy director for operations of intelligence group, IG. I became a deputy director for administration of intelligence group. How come in the world na nahuli na si Alice Go doon? Kaya kailangan ka pa dalhin ni Makapas doon sa Indonesia para kumbinsihin si Alice Go? I don't see any logic. Wala ako nakikitang intelligence value sa presensya mo, sa papel mo doon. Bakit ang IG gagamitin ka? Huli na siya eh. Huli na siya. Bakit ka kasama sa IG? Wala akong nakitang intelligence value sa'yo. Siguro ang intelligence value sa'yo kung magamit ka for any other reasons na pwede kang gamitin.
Your Honor, the instructions po is this.
Sino ang nagbigay ng instructions?
Sa PNP po.
Sino?
Si General Macapas.
Anong instructions niya?
Na sana umuwi that she will, kung pwede siya kausapin, na
Yun na, huli ka. That she will, at kung pwede siyang kausapin. Alam mo,
no, that's
matagal
what I'm
na
saying.
kung pulis, ikaw, sinungaling ka.
No.
Napakasinungaling mo. Gumagawa ka ng istorya ngayon. Meron kang tinatago. Hindi kita papalabasin dito sa session hall ito kahit na hawak ka na ng NBI. Tilio, hindi kita papalabasin dito sa session hall ito.
Sige.
Kung hindi ka magsabi ng totoo.
Sige.
Yun
Sige,
na
tuloy
nga
mo-
po.
SP Pro Tempore.
Tuloy mo yung kwento mo. She will what?
That kung pwede po, that she will surrender to PNP.
Miss Maslog, baliktad na yung sequence of events. Sinabi na ni Senator De La Rosa, at the time of your second trip para kausapin si Guo Huaping, arestado na siya.
Yes,
No
Your
choice na siya na bumalik dito, which is what happened. So wala nang kayong mission na pa-surrenderin siya kasi huli na nga siya. So ano yung agenda nyo sa pagkausap sa kanya?
Actually po, Miss Go Wapping and Alice Go po, you can ask po. She has a lawyer po doon sa Indonesia.
Just a minute, before you continue, Ms. Maslog, about the lawyer in Indonesia, General Macapas will be joining us online. So we will be able to fact check with him this amazing story. Please continue.
If I
Senator
may
Joe.
also just put into the records, no, the Senate already gave time in 2000 and 2000 in year 2000. In year 2000, and the Senate found her liable. The same person, Madam Chair, Mary Ann Maslog. The Senate found her liable for false testimony, corruption of public officials, punishable under the revised penal code, violation of the anti-graft law, violation of Presidential Decree number 46, which makes it punishable for private persons to give gifts to government officials and employees on any occasion, falsification of public document, and tax evasion. So, Madam Chair, hindi ko alam kung we need to give more time to this rascal, Madam Chair.
Thank you,
Madam Chair.
Senator Joel. Yes, Senator De La Rosa.
Madam Chair, I don't know how to deal with this kind of resource person, pero alam mo, I suspect nandoon ka, pupunta ka sa Indonesia because somebody is using you for an irregular operation. Kang lingo-lingo dyan. I am sure. Somebody is using you. I suspect. Ano? Ano masasabi mo ngayon?
Ms.
No,
Maslog.
Ha?
No, Your Honor.
No?
No, Your Honor.
Sigurado ka?
Yes, Your Honor.
Huwag mo ako lukuhin. Huwag mo ako lukuhin.
I am not, Your Honor.
I have the goods against you. I have the goods against you. But, Madam
Yeah.
Chair, next, I will pin you down. I will pin you down. I tell you. I will pin you down. I will pin you down. I am sure about it. I will pin you down. Huwag mong gamitin yung pagkamaro mo. Kung dumaan ka na, namatay ka na noon, at ngayon bigla kang nabuhay, at ngayon ginagamit ka for irregular operations against us. You cannot, hindi ka makakalusot sa akin. I tell you. I tell you. Madam Chair, thank you.
Madam Chair.
Salamat kayo, Senator De La Rosa. Before I call the SP pro tempore, I have confirmation na pumunta ngang Indonesia si Ms. Maslog. But I will wait for that officially on the record from the BI. SP, sorry, if I may, Senator Sherwin, and
Sino
then
nagbayad ng ticket mo, Miss Maslog? Sino nagbayad ng ticket mo nung una at sino nagbayad ng ticket mo nung pangalawa? At tumira ka ba doon sa Indonesia? Sino nagbayad ng hotel mo?
We only stayed there, sir, for 1 day, sir.
Balikan?
2 days po. 2 days. Opo.
So, sino nagbayad ng ticket mo?
I-refund po ng ano po, ng government.
Sinong government? Sinong government?
Alam mo,
Philippine
Hirap.
government?
hirap nga ang IG magpadala ng ahinti pupunta sa ibang bansa. Ikaw pa, na you're not a part of IG, hindi ka organic ng IG, kagastusan ka ng IG. Kaya the more kami nagsususpect na meron ka talagang ibang pakay doon. Meron kang iba. Ha? Madam Chair,
Yeah.
Madam Chair, can I move forward for a while? A little bit.
you certainly may, Senator De La Rosa. But
Mayroon
before-
akong information na bumisita ka doon sa kulungan ni Alice Go dito sa Pilipinas. Bumisita ka?
Yes, sir.
How many times?
2 times.
Anong purpose mo doon?
First, sir, tinatanong ko po siya sa mga statement po na ginawa po niya, sir.
May ginawa siyang statement?
No, not the statement, but I'm saying we were talking about ano po sa kanya yung how do you say it, yung kung ano po ang nangyari sa kanya.
Ano ang pakialam mo sa kanya?
SP pro tempore.
Klaruhin ko na lang sa'yo. Ha? Ha? For the record. Meron kong informasyon, ha, na you are being used para papirmahin si Alice Go ng affidavit. Affidavit na magtuturo na si President Duterte, si Senator Bongo, si Senator Bato, si General si IDG? General Karamat ay nasa likod ng pugo. Merong tao from Malacanang nag-uutos sa'yo. Meron akong information. I can pin you down, my God. Ha? Huwag kang pailing-iling dyan. Alam kong informasyon na yan. Is that correct?
No,
Anong
sir.
purpose mo? Bakit ka pupunta doon kay Alice Go? 2 bisis ka pumunta. Anong purpose mo doon? Be, sige.